What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I am trying out canned sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna make them like my candied sweet potatoes recipe. I've never used these a day in my life. Stay tuned so you can see how these turn out. So like standard candied sweet potatoes, I'm going to use butter, brown sugar, regular sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and vanilla extract. That's going to create the glaze for us. Sometimes these will come in a glaze or water. If you see the water ones, I would get those. Since we're already going to make a glaze, we don't need a glaze. And I promise you it's not going to taste as good. But whatever sauce it comes in, be sure to drain these first. So I'm going to start by melting my butter here. I'm just using a cast iron skillet. You can use any type of pot or pan that will hold these sweet potatoes. And next I'm going to add in the vanilla extract along with the brown sugar, the white sugar, and all of the spices. I'm going to give everything a stir, and that glaze is going to start to thicken up. So the advantage of making these using canned sweet potatoes is that you can skip the baking, you don't have to boil them, that these are already cooked. And so I'm just gonna add these to the pan, and these come very unevenly sized. It doesn't really matter since they're cooked. That size issue is typically only really a problem when you're trying to cook these because they'll cook unevenly. But like I said, these are already cooked, but I did try to slice them up just to make them look cute. But the risk you run when you do that is these will turn into mush pretty quickly. So I recommend cooking these on low heat, and you don't need to cook them very long. You just need to cook them until they are warm. So for my final review, I will say if you're strapped for time and in a bind and looking for candied sweet potatoes, then by all means, grab the canned sweet potatoes and make this recipe. You do risk the texture. I do feel like these are just a little bit too mushy because they sit in water or sauce for a really long time in that can. That is going to alter the texture. If you have the time, I say go ahead and make the real thing.